Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry. Today's explainer is dynamic equilibrium, when the forward and reverse reactions match each other exactly. By the end of this video, you'll know what dynamic really means and what conditions are required. Dynamic equilibrium is the state in a reversible reaction where the forward and reverse rates are equal, so concentrations of reactants and products stop changing. But both reactions keep happening. They're just balance. It only occurs in a closed system where nothing escapes or enters. Three things. 1. Must be reversible and in a closed system. 2. Forward rate equals reverse rate. Net change is 0. 3. The position of equilibrium tells you how far towards products the balance lies. Common slip. Thinking the reaction has stopped at equilibrium. It hasn't. Both reactions are still going. They just go at the same rate, so concentrations don't change. Equal rates, not equal concentrations. Quick example, N2 plus 3H2 going to 2NH3. So in a sealed reactor, all three gases coexist at fixed concentrations once the equilibrium is reached. Pump in more H2 and the system shifts to make more NH3 until a new equilibrium is set. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, with every answer fully worked and every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.